Hello, this is lesson 123, Switch Debounce. In the last lesson, we looked at how to test a tactile switch so that we would know when it was pressed and when it was released to change states. That was lesson 122, holding a LED state. Well, we found that we could test it, and sometimes it would work and sometimes it wouldn't. To improve this, we put in a 20 millisecond delay after the pressed. But we didn't put one in after the release because it takes a lot more time to settle under a pressed condition than it does under a released condition. Now, there's an easier way of doing this, a much more accurate way. Instead of having a 20 millisecond delay in between the pressed and released, we can actually use consecutive samples to be able to test when the switch is settled into place. The switch tool is a nice and easy way of doing this. It's going to test 80 times whether it has changed state. And so we can set up the same sort of way, but in this condition we have a released state and we have a pressed state. It's actually not a state as such, it's a change of state. So for release it has to go pressed and then go released before it's going to trigger a true outcome. That's all we need to do to set up the switch tool. And we might put in a second one of those. Note on the false statement, we just want to retest the switch. So nice and easy there to put in two switches. They're both checking for released outcome. On that last one, we can make sure that the true is on the top. And there we have it. Now let's do a couple of things. Let's just align and distribute those tools. And last of all, let's call it what it is, Switch Debounce. And testing that, we should see the switch change of state is pretty much rock solid. No problems there. That's lesson 123, Switch Debounce. Thanks for watching.